All right, so occasionally you may need to change which application opens a certain type of file or link. So, for example, Microsoft Edge is the default browser on the system, but you may not want to use that. Maybe you prefer a different browser. So you can choose so that anytime you click a link, let's say in the Mail application, it will open using your chosen browser. In this case, we'll say it's Firefox. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can update that. So you'll first want to go to the Settings application. I'd say the easiest way to get there would just be to go ahead and type in App Defaults, or you could type Default App Settings, and then just go ahead and navigate to that section. So you may have another mail application installed, perhaps Outlook 2016. You can change the default of that. Your default maps, you might have another one installed there, maybe Here Maps. Your default music player, that could obviously be a number of any different things. The photo viewer, you could use Windows Media Player for that instead. Video player, obviously you have a number of different choices there. And then you have your web browser. So all you need to do to change any of these is just go ahead and click on it and then select the correct application. Now you can also do this in a much more granular way if you would like to. If you click on this here, choose default apps by file type, this may be helpful. So if there is a very specific type of file, let's say a .mov file, and you don't want to open that particular type of video file with this application, you can actually change that just for that specific file type. So let's go ahead and click on this here, choose a default. So as you can see here, along the left column are all of the different types of files. So obviously there can be a lot of different types of files here. Once you find the one that you want, all you have to do is go ahead and click Choose Default, and then you select an application that is installed on your system. So this gives you extreme granular control over what type of file is open in which program.